Good evening, everyone. It's Abu again, only preaching peace and love. So the thought for tonight is just to put it out there. Um, us as individuals, we will start. I don't know if it's possible, but people will need and start to support one another. Especially if it's your same color, your same race, or your same color, same race, same ethnicity, same background. That's the people that must support one another. Not break down each other just because you are the same race or the same ethnicity. Once you're the same race and the same ethnicity, that's where you need to support one another. So if all of you are perhaps a certain race, don't look at your brother and look down upon that brother just because he's the same race as you or the same ethnicity. Support one another, especially when you are the same race and same ethnicity. Because now the trend I'm seeing these days is when people are the same race or the same ethnicity, they don't want to support each other. That's my peace of mind for tonight. Abu only preaching peace and love. Abu out.